Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel, and today we're going to be going into a product that I actually got from my wife for the holidays. It was a pretty cool gift and I want to share it with you guys. I'll give you guys some details on it, share the website down in the description for you guys, as well as an Amazon link you'll see there as well. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check that out. If you guys would like to see a video on the full website, let me know. I'd be happy to create a video showing everything that this website includes. But today we're going to be talking about goat guns and their miniature 2-scale replicas of a lot of different weapons such as ARs, AKs, 50 cals, 1911s, a lot of that. You can also get accessories and a whole lot of other things for these. They're great for, you know, your man cave, your garage, home office, work office, on top of your toolbox, on top of your workbench. I got an AR, which I'll show you up close, and it's pretty cool because you get it in multiple pieces. You assemble it, it comes with 3 rounds, a mag. It's pretty cool. So I'll show that to you, and then in the future, if you guys would like to see the actual website with everything that they have to offer, please just let me know. But I just wanted to share it with you because it's really cool. I'll give you some specs on it, show you up close, everything that kind of assembles when you get it and all of that. And I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the comment section of your guys' thoughts, or if you've ever heard of goat guns. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Let's get into this. Alrighty, YouTubers, so this is the Goat Guns AR-15. You can get, you know, multiple different weapons from them. It's really cool. It's great for, you know, desk decoration or anything like that, man cave, bar, anything like that. I just think this is a really cool product, scaled down miniature weapons for display. And these are going to range anywhere from like $30 to $45, and then accessories are very affordable. Like you can get an ACOG for this, or forward grips, or like a 203 grenade launcher for the bottom rail. You can get a lot of different accessories for these, as well as their others as well. So if you guys are interested, the link will be down in the description for you guys, as well as a link to Amazon if you guys are interested. So this is exactly how you're going to get it, except it'll be packaged in a box that has like a blow molded case that keeps everything separated and organized. So you get to assemble it. It does include tools because you can remove this grip and stuff, but this is exactly how it comes. The upper and lower receiver with the barrel and everything already attached. You get this, and then you have your buffer spring area, your buttstock, iron sights. You get a couple different barrel attachments, your magazine, your upper and lower handguard. So you get to assemble it all. So I'm just going to start out with the upper and lower handguards. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the rear one on, or bottom one on first. It just attaches just like that. So there it is. And you can, like I state, get attachments for these as well. So you can either have your standard muzzle brake, or you can get a silencer. This comes with it. You don't have to special order this or anything. So we'll just throw this on there for now. And then as far as the rear, you have your buffer spring area. It does have a little tab here that you pull back. Just go ahead and pull that back. You slide it down, click it into place. Then with your buttstock, pushing it like this is so you can adjust it forward and back. If you want to install or remove, you pull down like this. So pull that down, slide it on, and this is all metal, and the grip is plastic, just like you would find on the real thing. So it is actually weighted pretty nicely. So full metal body. And then for the iron sights, they are adjustable. You do have your 2 different sights. It does flip, as you can see there. And then just like anything, tighten it down. There you go. You have your rear iron sight, your front iron sight. You have your strap attachment here and on the back. Here you can see the buttstock does adjust. It has its different locking positions. And then you have your magazine, and it comes with 3 dummy rounds. So this is the 5.56 or 2.23, whichever one. So there you go. Your magazine is loaded. Slides right in, locks in place. You do have your safe, semi, and full auto. You have the slide lock here. On the other side, you have your mag release. You do actually have your charging handle here, and it does have a magnet here, which does hold the dust cover up, and then when you charge it, it comes open. So really cool. It's not going to actually load around or fire or anything like that, but it's really cool. So basically fully operational as far as the functions and everything, minus firing. So I think this is really cool. Then you get an attachment here that you put in your handle, and now it is all set. So once again, this is by Goat Guns. You can get a lot of different options, different weapons and accessories, and I think it's pretty cool. Let me know your guys' thoughts, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.